At the western edge of Europe lies a small town that you don't drive through, you drive to. Things move a little slower. People are a little friendlier. There's a magic here that you have to see and touch for yourself. And it's not just the hills and sheep either, though we have plenty of those. You'll find everything you need here, all your shops, groceries and bookstores. There's even a leather shop and a hardware store and a pub or two. Plus, the rest of Europe is in your backyard. So at this moment in life, when self-discovery is never easier nor more important, take the road less travelled, the road to southwest Ireland in County Kerry. Join us, come be a local, feel what it's like to live and breathe in the real Ireland. You'll grow to understand life here, from the locals to the sea, learning plenty from each other's friendship during your time. You'll walk the roads and learn our stories, and when you tell them again, you'll add them to your own stories. Because this is Ireland at heart. If you've never been, you'll want to go. And if you've been, you'll want to go back. The locals know it as Undangan. You may have heard it called Dingle, but no matter what you call it, you'll know it best as a home away from home.